welcome to my channel Dress Factory. I'm Shalini. We offer you huge collection of saris, salwar suits, kurtis and jewelry at wholesale price. In this video, I'm going to show you all latest straight cut salwar suits which is trending in 2022. We offer free shipping all over India and we provide 10% discount exclusive for our YouTube subscribers. We have limited stock, so please hurry up and book your orders quickly. Please watch out a complete video for different collections. Thank you. For bookings, you can take a screenshot and WhatsApp to the number mentioned over the screen. For more collections, you can follow us on the Facebook and Instagram page. I have given links in the description box. Please comment on the product which you like the most. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications instantly.